And a wrapper function, as the name implies, takes a function and puts it inside another function that will provide a connection between your program and the needs of your program and that function that you're wrapping around. So I'll call this one convert wrapper. And I'm not going to require any arguments. And so what I need to do is provide an interface between convert temperature, which requires things and returns things, and my program. Okay, so I'm creating a wrapper for that. So the first thing I want to do inside this program is I want to say str temp, and remember, it is a string right now. And I'm going to get that string from the entry box. I'm going to say convert entry. Actually, it's not that. It is this one here, str value, because that's the variable, and I'm going to use get. Now, I'm also going to get the conversion type. And it just occurred to me that these are flipped from what I need, because if I want to convert to Fahrenheit, then I want that to give an F and this one to give a C for what I'm converting to, not what I'm converting from. So I'm going to say str conversion. So I'm going to say str, give that a different name, type, I'll just say that, equals str conversion dot get. Okay, so now I'm getting those. I'm getting those two values. And the first thing I need to do is make sure that my temperature is converted to a float. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we are doing look before you leap, but since we already know how to do look before you leap, I'm just going to convert it to a float type. Okay, so FL temp equals float str temp. This is where I would check look before I leap, would say, now I could do a try and accept here, but I would recommend a look before you leap here, because it allows you to handle the error before it happens. You could do it either way, but if I'm, before I convert to a float, I want to make sure that that number is a valid float. Okay, and so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to call now this convert temp function with the target scale and the value. So I'm going to say convert temp, or FL result equals convert temp, and I'm going to say the temperature, wait a second, am I getting that backwards? Target scale and value. So the target scale is going to be str type, and FL temp is the other one. Okay, and that'll give me a result. And then I'm going to take that, and now I have to do something with the result. And I'm going to say if str type equals Celsius, then I'm going to say str final equals, I don't want that, thanks but no thanks, AI. I'm going to say FL result degrees Celsius, else, And I'll let that one finish for me. Thank you very much. Sometimes it's useful. And then the last thing I want to do in this wrapper function is I want to update that label text. So I'm going to go, what did I call that label? Go down, label result, lab results, configure, and text equals str final. Now,